Apple started in a garage with visionaries Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. This humble beginning laid the foundation for a tech empire. A key strategy was focusing on product quality. Apple aimed to create user-friendly devices that were not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Innovative marketing strategies helped Apple create a strong brand identity. Memorable campaigns like Think Different positioned Apple as a leader in creativity. Apple's commitment to customer experience set it apart. The company created an ecosystem where hardware, software, and services work seamlessly together. The launch of the iPod revolutionized the music industry, proving Apple's ability to disrupt markets and create new consumer habits. Apple's retail strategy played a crucial role in its success. The company designed stores that offered immersive experiences for customers. Investing in research and development has allowed Apple to stay ahead of competitors by consistently delivering innovative products and features. The introduction of the iPhone in 2007 was a game changer, combining a phone, iPod, and internet communicator into one revolutionary device. Apple's focus on privacy and security has set it apart, earning customer trust and loyalty in an era of data breaches. The App Store created a platform for developers, further enhancing Apple's ecosystem and encouraging innovation among third-party applications. Apple's strong leadership under Tim Cook emphasized operational efficiency and sustainability, driving the company to new heights. The introduction of Apple's wearables, like the Apple Watch, expanded its product line and tapped into the health and fitness market. Apple's foray into services with Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple TV Plus diversified its revenue streams and strengthened customer loyalty. The iPad's introduction opened new markets in education and creativity, showcasing Apple's adaptability to changing consumer needs. Apple's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility has become a core aspect of its corporate philosophy. Apple's use of design thinking has allowed it to create intuitive products that resonate with users and elevate their experiences. Apple's aggressive pricing strategy and premium branding helped it dominate the tech landscape, creating a perception of exclusivity. Strategic acquisitions have bolstered Apple's capabilities, allowing it to integrate new technologies and expand its market reach. Apple's strong community engagement and support for developers have fostered a loyal customer base and thriving app ecosystem. The evolution of Apple's branding strategy has transformed it into one of the most recognizable brands globally, synonymous with innovation. Apple's global supply chain management has been pivotal in maintaining product quality and meeting consumer demand efficiently. Customer feedback and data analytics play a crucial role in Apple's product development, allowing the company to adapt to market trends effectively. Apple's focus on education and outreach in technology has empowered the next generation of innovators and creators. The future of Apple looks promising as it continues to innovate and expand into new domains, including AR and AI technologies. To watch more videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.